basically somebody's left the company, they've got upset, and they've deleted everything. That's your standard CTF memory dump analysis scenario. This is rambling of Cornelia and its UniVsThreats. So we're going to jump into this now. We've got the file, we're all set up. First thing I like to do in Volatility is Windows command line, just to get it to load that everything it needs. That means every other command is going to be a little bit quicker, and you can have a quick look, see if there's anything obvious here. The obvious thing would be MS Edge, but from the information here, apparently an encrypted file somewhere. So it's a file. You're going to want to file scan to files. We'll pop back to the original files we got because that works, and we're looking for users. That's normally your first point of call. We can see some users. We want to forget about the AppData just for now. And then we can see 1, 2. Got about 3 users on this machine. Got some text files. I then went and looked up .txt files. And then we're going to look at these text files and see what's there. So we're going to grab 80 and we're going to grab 500 when that drops down, and then we'll take a look. So we've got 2 supposed text files. What I'd like to do is just cat dump/all, boom. So we have a quick read through here. This looks like what we need. And then reading into it, didn't trust and did internal stuff. They've left an archive. Archive normally means a zip file of some sorts. Back to here, like zip. And then we looked at 7-zip. And then we see these 3 zip files. So step 2, we're going to do the same thing and dump them 3. Be back in a sec. And we'll try, I can't remember exactly, but this one to start, not an archive. This one or the next one. And of course, it is almost always going to be the last one. So we've got that information a moment ago. I'm going to paste that in here. We have extracted our files. Internal chat turns out to just be more story and a picture here. And there's your flag. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Bye.